How to enable or disable autoplay on Windows 11 and Windows 10. When you try to add any external USB drive or hard drive, then you can enable autoplay or disable it. To do so, right click on a start button, choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here from the left side, go to Bluetooth and devices, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and you will find the option autoplay. Click on it. Defaults for removable drives and memory cards. Click on it and use autoplay for all media and devices. From here you can easily turn on and off autoplay feature. Choose autoplay defaults, removable drives. Here various features are available. Choose any one of them. Import photos and videos, take no action, ask me every time. You can also choose ask me every time for memory card, external USB drive. Choose as per your choice. You can also choose take no action or ask me every time. Apple iPhone, various features are also available. Then from here you can also you can easily enable or disable